today's video, we're gonna cook balbacoa. I'm gonna show you how. Here's the ingredients. We need onion, garlic, and also bell pepper, chili finger, ginger, annatto oil, and tomato sauce. And also we need a lot of beef stock for our. So we need to saute first our aromatic. We're gonna start in our butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. We put our onions. Then our ginger. Ginger. Our garlic. Then saute. Then, if you don't have the annatto seeds, we can use our annatto powder for the coloring. This is 10 gram. So, lulutuin lang natin yung aromatics until it's soften the textures. By the way, our beef meat is already been pre-cooked. No? We boiled it at pressure cooker for about 2 hours. This is almost, so we can add the water. We're gonna add about 1.5 liter of water. If you have the stocks, beef stocks, it's good, but for now we're gonna use 2 big beef cubes for this recipe. By the way, we're using Knorr seasoning or Knorr beef cube. Then we can add our pre-cooked beef meat. Actually, it's a mixture of beef and bones. Gonna use our yan. Laki, main na lang natin. Okay. Laki. Yan. I think this is enough. We're gonna muna yung the other para naman mamaya. And also, before I forget, if you have this sibot, you can add this on your recipe. If not, cinnamon stick or star anise is a good alternative. So, lalagyan natin ng, this is a Chinese herb used for their herbs. So that's it. Pwede na natin din i-add yung chili fingers natin, no? Later yung ano. And that's it. We're gonna wait it until